I used to spend 60 minutes every single day editing the same old boring screen recordings. But in today's video, I'm going to be taking the exact same screen recording, but I'm going to let AI handle all of the editing, and you'll see how much time it saves you and how much more engaging it actually makes the screen recording. So without further ado, let's go check out Focusee in today's video. Let's go. Okay, so here you can see I brought up a screen recording that I took earlier on my computer. So you can see I'm on ChatGPT, right? And I say, do research on the most popular sneakers or shoes in 2026 and give me some images, right? So as you can see, I'm typing it in. It's very boring. There are no zoom ins, no cuts. So I would have to go and edit this by myself, and it would, like I said, usually take 30 to 60 minutes. So you can see some photos, but it's really not engaging. So if you're a viewer watching this, I would definitely lose interest very, very quickly, right? But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull up the Focusee app, right? So how it looks is it looks something like this. Where you can go, you can record full screen, you can do custom, you can do window, or you can do a device, right? And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my account, and then I'm going to use the AI features, and I'm going to show you the two screen recordings side by side. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have Focusee open right now. I have the same screen recording right here. And just by doing absolutely nothing, by just doing the screen recording with Focusee and having the AI do its work already, this is what it turns out to be. And I haven't even made some of the manual changes that you can go and do. So for example, if I just click play, you can see from the bat, it's way more engaging. It's nicely cut. You can see it has zoom ins. You can see that it is cropped. It has a little bit of a background. The cursor is actually different. You can see, look at this zoom in, for example, where it goes, zooms in. You can go back to where you actually see the typing, and then it's just way more engaging, right? So I can go along with the timeline here. I can make it way more advanced, and I can make sure that it actually does more effects as well. But just to show you right here, the zoom in on where the cursor is going is really, really good, right? So you can see that it's definitely a lot more engaging. We can actually go ahead, we can change the background. So for example, we can go to steady, we can use these different backgrounds, we can do graceful. So you can actually match this to your brand as well. We can do scenery, or we can even do custom. We can adjust the shadows right here. We can do the roundness, so we can make it more cropped or not. Actually do the inset, which is also something that is pretty cool, and padding as well. So there are a lot of things that you can actually go and edit with this, and this is really just a simple edit, right? So you can go right here, you can do the cursor, you can change that. So we can do, let's say for example this, we can play it. You can see that the cursor already looks different. We can go right here, we can go to text, right? If you want to add text, for example, we can go right here. Well, this would be the background music or the audio that you are going to be editing. You can do a watermark as well. And then right here, you can do zoom in motion blur, screen motion blur, cursor motion blur. So you have so much to play with. You can do smart cut as well. And then you can generate an avatar as well, which is pretty cool, right? So we can do this, we can generate that avatar. So it needs to have a microphone audio in order to actually generate the avatar, right? But this is just some quick things that we can do. We can do sparkles, we can do spotlight, right? So we can do the size, we can do the color. So for example, right here, we'll go with the purple style. So you can see that the cursor actually looks different. We can actually choose to make it this cursor because I think that looks really cool. You can see the pink mark moving along with the purple. So this would look really, really good with the lighting in my background, right? So it kind of matches my brand colors and my style, which is something that is really, really cool. Because if we go and we bring back the old screen recording that I have, for example, look how boring this is, right? Let's just go through it. You can see there are no animations, nothing. It just goes, it rolls on, it brings through everything. No zoom ins, no different cursor, nothing, like no effects, no background. It's just plain and simple, right? So if I had to put this next to this screen recording, you can see which one is more engaging by far. This one will definitely attract my attention, or where this one is just boring, and it would take me 60 minutes to edit that, and I wouldn't even get close to something like this. So that is why I think Focusee is really, really good, because you can go ahead, you can edit your screen recordings with AI. You don't even have to do anything. This took me 10 seconds to maybe make an adjustment adjustment here and there, but the AI did most of the heavy lifting, and that is why I would highly recommend that you go and check out Focusee. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm on the Focusee website right now. So what you want to do is you want to come to focusee.imobi.com. I'll leave the link down in the description of this video so you can go and check them out for yourself. So you can see they say record your screen and get polished videos automatically with AI. So it's available on Windows, or it's even available on MacBook. And the great thing about this is you get a 60-day money back guarantee, right? So these are some of the quick features that we can go over. They have auto pan and zoom, they have the cursor effects, dynamic layout, AI audio enhancement, and annotation suite. So you can see right here is a video example of how this is going to work out and how it's going to actually look. So you can see the cursor right there turns into animations. You can exactly follow along with the zoom ins and the cuts about what's actually happening in the screen recording, right? So here you can see AI visual focus brings cinematic effect and clear emphasis to your videos, because everyone tends to lose focus or lose interest on a normal screen recording. So you can see right here, accelerate your post-production 50% faster with AI, because usually I had to sit every single day and I had to edit these videos or these screen recordings, and it took about 30 to 60 minutes for every single one, right? So you can also get an AI virtual avatar, you can get the AI subtitle generation, which is pretty cool, and AI background removal, which is great. So they have a lot of AI features, but like I said, you can go and you can check out their website for yourself. You can see some of the use cases, for example, a demo video, tutorial video, promo video, pitch video. So this is literally for everyone, whether you're a marketer, whether you do content creation, whether you're a YouTuber, whatever niche you're in, or even if you're a founder or a freelancer, or especially if you're someone or who is into online education, right? So you can see the tools, the online screen recorder, the online camera recorder, and the microphone recorder. You can see the products right here, the resources, and then we can go ahead and look at the pricing as well. So I think the pricing is very decent. So you can see the standard version is only $4 a month. They have 72% off, so if you want to grab it, I would highly recommend that you do it now. They have a hot deal on the advanced version, which is $227 per month, and the advanced, which is a one-time purchase, right? So this is per month. So this is actually very valuable. You can see the standard, the advanced, and then that's if you buy it yearly. If you go monthly, it is obviously a bit more expensive, but they have the hot deals, so I would highly recommend that you would go and check them out today while they have these deals. Okay guys, that will be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like. If you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.